Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to repost a story on Instagram. Now, if you're already in Instagram, you used to have to go through the process of seeing if you were mentioned in that story to be able to repost it. But they came out with a brand new update so that you don't need that anymore. So let's head into the App Store or Google Play Store. And from here, we're just going to search for Instagram because you want to make sure that you've updated to the latest version. So on Instagram, on your App Store or Google Play Store, just tap on the update button to get to the latest version. After you've done that, we can go through the process of reposting it. So let me go back into Instagram here. And let's say in this case, I wanted to repost a daily show story. So let's tap on it. And you'll be able to see at the very bottom right is that share icon. I can tap on the share icon. And now at the bottom left is add to story. You can just tap on that and it will automatically pop up with your story. You can see it says your story. Okay, and now I can hit the share button or I can just share it to my close friends. If I wanted to just share it with a close friend, and then I'll show you that it worked. Let's hop out of here. And if I tap on your story, it might take a few seconds to load. You can see it's uploading, but it will upload that daily show story as my own story.